In the Valley. I'm Allison Ball, and today I'm going to do something really different. I'm going to do a breakfast casserole. I am known not to cook a lot of breakfast on my show, and I just wanted to do things that I love when people come over. And breakfast casserole is on the menu today. My ingredients are really simple, usually whatever I have around the house, but I have some sausage, I have some shredded potatoes, cheese, mushrooms, scallions, some Greek yogurt, eggs, of course, and tomatoes. I'm gonna mix them all together, and we're gonna have a delicious breakfast casserole that you can serve to your family in less than 45 minutes. Let's get started. All right, first things first, we gotta get the sausage and all the vegetables and potatoes cooked up on the skillet. And then once we do that, we'll pour the eggs in and season it and put it in the stove. It's really simple. Oh yeah, that's what I meant, the stove and oven, I'm confused. Okay. And you can do it actually early. The day before, and then put it in the oven the day that everybody's coming. So I love this dish. Like I said, I don't even really eat breakfast that much because I'm always trying to work out and stuff, but if I am gonna have breakfast and I'm having people over and I wanna be lazy girl breakfast, this is the one I made. So I'm doing 2 pounds of sausage, and you can also do bacon if you want. You just cut up bacon and do it, but I'm using sausage. And this sausage for me has a little bit of a kick, so you know, here at Allie in the Valley, I always have to have some type of kick in my food. I don't want like tasteless food. All right, so 2 pounds of sausage. I'm also gonna put the potatoes in at the same time. Make a little room for them. This is 1 bag of shredded potatoes, frozen kind that you can buy at any store. You can also cut up your own potatoes, but you know what? I'm doing it the fast and quick way like we do it at Allie in the Valley, so I just bought some shredded potatoes. Really depends on what I have in my kitchen. I'm gonna have this on medium high. I'm really a much more brunch girl than breakfast girl because I usually do my hikes in the morning. And so I come back and do a protein shake. But if on the weekends, like Sunday, like it is, I would love to just do a good big brunch that everybody can come over and eat while I'm drinking champagne and orange juice. Now that I have the sausage and the potatoes cooking down really well, I'm gonna add mushrooms. And this is about a cup of mushrooms, maybe a little bit more. And I'm gonna put the top on so the moisture captures all of it. And then I'm gonna cut some tomatoes up and put tomatoes in there too. Any vegetables you have at home you can use. I'm just using what I have in my refrigerator that I need to get rid of. You know, no waste around here at Allie in the Valley, but I'm gonna cut some tomatoes too. So my tomatoes cook in there as well. I love a good cooked tomato. Yep. I love these heirloom tomatoes. They're so good. I could eat this all by themselves. They're just so yummy. But I'm gonna put some tomatoes in there, and then after I put the tomatoes in there, I'm gonna season with my essence. If you don't have my essence, which you need to get on my website, but if you don't have it, you just season with salt and pepper, whatever else you like. And then we're gonna put this all in the casserole with the rest of the ingredients, and it goes in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes after we add the eggs and etc., which you will see me do shortly. All right, let's put these in. Tomatoes. See that? That moisture captured and got the mushrooms cooked very well quickly. We're gonna do the same thing here. Put a little seasoning on now. Turn it down a little bit, a little high for me. All right, you know my essence, made it the other day. Keep it around just by the stove, so when I'm cooking, add my essence, the best, love it. Okay, let's mix this a little bit. All right, this is looking done. I'm gonna mix this a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the top on for about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it over to the counter and do the whole mixture with eggs and stuff, and then we'll put it in our casserole dish and put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Let's do this. Over here, we're gonna put it in this big bowl, and then we're gonna add eggs, cheese, Greek yogurt, the scallions we'll add later, some little bit more oregano seasoning, and then it goes into my casserole, and then it goes into the stove. It goes into the oven. I know the difference between those. It goes into the oven for 45 minutes. So let me get rid of this. Smells really good. Let me move this over here because I'm right-handed. This is bothering me. Look at that. You know what I'm gonna say? We need Smell TV. Yes, we do. Can somebody come up with that for me? All right, actually I'm trying to be neat. Let's just hurry up. Okay, all right, here's the mixture. I'm making a mushroom. I'm gonna add about 6 eggs. Let's see how that goes. Maybe more. I feel like I'm making a science project here. I'm like on some science project, like let's see how this comes out. It's gonna be more than 6, actually. I'm gonna add all the eggs just because I've made so much mixture. I need more eggs. I'm gonna add some oregano. Let's mix this up first. Oh yeah. Nice and eggy. Let's mix all the eggs up so they're completely mixed up. Then I'll add this is about 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. Love Greek yogurt. Okay, this is gonna make it thicker, give it a little bit more body, great taste. Okay, now let me spray this so it doesn't stick. All right, casserole ready. And like I said, you can always do this the night before people come over, to make your life easier, and it sits and it kind of molds in the refrigerator before you put it in the oven. Then cheese. I don't like 1/2 cup of cheese. I'm probably gonna put some more cheese on top of it too. Just because nothing is too cheesy for me. Nothing. I love cheese. That's my favorite food. That and pizza are my favorite food in the whole wide world. Okay, we'll just pour it in. It's heavy. And I am gonna get some more cheese to put on top. There you go. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put another layer of cheese on top, and then this goes in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. So excited that my breakfast casserole is done. I normally don't make dishes like this, but I have my family and friends coming over, COVID friendly in the backyard. But seriously, this is just beautiful. Look at this. It came out absolutely, the spray, look, it go around the edge so it doesn't stick. So far, so good. Now let's cut this baby and see. Oh yeah. So this was in the oven at 350. I said 40 to 45 minutes, but it actually took an hour. So you kind of have to judge it. And then what I did the last 10 minutes, I took the foil off and I let it cook so everything would melt and really cook and brown on the top. But look at that. That's beautiful, right? Let's try it. And like I said, you can pre-make this and then, you know, when people come over, you stick it in the oven and it's ready, and you can walk around and hang out with your friends and not have to worry about cooking in front of them and making a big mess. It's already done the night before. Oh my God. This is like heaven in a blanket. Like honestly, it's like the sausage, the potatoes, the mushrooms, and the cheese, forget about it. I'm thrilled. I'm making this more often. And when I'm gonna go run 10 miles. Anyway, you know where to get the recipe, AllieInTheValley.com. If you like this video, hit the like button, and I will see you on the next Allie in the Valley. And no more complaining that I didn't do breakfast. This is the bomb.